Today, this is the project. We're going to cook fisherman soup. So I have here, this is cassava. So we're going to blend that, use that as a thickener. We have some fish. Don't ask me what fish that is, I do not know. This is mussel. We have some shrimp in there. We have onions. We have some scotch bonnets and some olives. And here we have some snails. Okay, so this was interesting. My first time. I have some bell pepper, I have a little bit of crayfish, we have Maggi. These are the head of these shrimps here. So we're going to blend this, okay, with all this and to get some kind of sauce that would end up using. Okay, here we have I think it's catfish, the dry catfish. I've already boiled. I've tried to cook this so it gets a bit soft, and I have the water from that, so I'm going to use it. So here we have a bit of a lobster thingy there and some spinach. Anyway, now we'll see what we can do. For spice, I don't have much. I have this one that looks like it's curry. Okay, so this is I think this is curry. This is the curry. Okay, I'll have some soy sauce, a big soy sauce, and some salt. Okay, all right. I think that's all there is. So to begin, so what I'm doing now is, just in case it doesn't work out for me as a computer programmer, okay, I'll be a chef. All right, so I'm going to take my fish, put it in there, and this is the stock from the catfish, which I'm also going to pour in there. All right. I might put some onions in there. So the rest of the onions I'm going to blend. Put some, add some Maggi. And if you guys can smell this already, it already smells really good. I'm going to use this spoon. Since my wife is not here, she will scream at me if she sees me using wooden spoon in the pots. Okay, so this is all very quick. I think it's just 10 minutes. So I'll let this one cook first. Okay.
This is almost done, please.
It's only 2 minutes.
I know. Put it down on the.
Reduce the heat?
Yeah. Put it on a 4 for now, anyway. Yes.
Okay. Fish is so quick, huh?
Yes, I'm telling you.
So I think we put this snail
100%.
straight away, right?
Put the snail in. Yeah, awesome.
All right.
Finally.
I am also going to add some soy sauce.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Yes.
And
No,
add some
the-
salt.
More salt.
I haven't added any salt.
Soya is already salt. It's
Soya
not
is
like
already salt.
more. It's not like the meat. Okay. It's not like the meat. Okay.
So very gently, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it doesn't.
Yeah, make sure that all the snails are in the water so it cooks. Yes.
Okay.
Awesome. Now
All right.
pepper.
Now we're going to put all this head. So it still has the meat inside it. So this is according to YouTube and Onyebuchi. That's what we're supposed to do. Get some agua mealy.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of onions, even though we're going to sieve this. And okay, I think that's it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So everything is rush because fish is already cooking and it doesn't take long, huh? I want to add more agua. This blender is so tight. Okay, let's go. I agree. Okay, so this one is done. Alright. I am convinced I haven't figured out how to open this.
No, you're doing it right.
Because I always apply so much power. Okay, so we'll save this. Okay. Okay, so this one is done. So we're going to pour this in. Pause, please. Remember, just my hands up. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so now we just pour this in here. My people, if I can smell this, and this smells so good. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to take all this. I have a feeling that this should have been chopped up into tiny pieces and used inside of the, I don't know. This is our first fisherman soup.
Garlic.
Else?
Garlic.
Garlic and pepper, yeah? I'll just chop this in there with a stemmer.
And then take this one, babe.
Oh, which one?
That
The
one.
sauce.
Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah.
We're using all the sauce.
Uh-huh.
Is the washing machine coming on?
Oh, the dishwasher. All right.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yes. One.
Okay, so this one is done.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to put this in.
I am
And then
so
pause it,
hungry.
Yeah,
Right.
but now we have a lot of stock, no? I don't think I should add the whole thing. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this up to 2.
No,
You think?
I think you should put it up to 5 now. Let it boil a bit.
And then put everything.
Yes.
And then this is for thickening, so we'll
If we need
blend
thickening. Esatto. Yeah.
Okay. So let this begin to bubble. And we'll add all this now, I guess.
See?
Okay. Add the mussel. Okay. Shut this up. Okay.
And don't forget the crab leg. That goes in last.
Okay. Okay. So now the fire will heat up. I'll just add some.
You didn't even taste it yet.
I know it needs Maggi.
No, it might not. Try it, Kings.
It always needs Maggi.
You need to put some palm oil.
That's none of that. I don't remember that. Anyway, Onyebuchi, maybe you can tell us.
Onibush is gonna laugh her
It's too late.
head off. Right. Palm oil. Put some palm oil in.
We have
Just a
Niger-
little bit.
Niger palm oil.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily here,
Just a little bit.
it's
Ai! Tá bom!
Huh?
That's okay. Kindly. That's okay.
That's a tiny bit.
Yes. It's just to give it some color.
I don't know. I don't remember. Does fisherman soup have? I think it will have now. Why wouldn't it have? This is the ingredients of
Meu
Nigeria.
amor.
It's
It's enough now. It's enough.
That's not a lot. That's not a lot. It's good for you. It's good for your heart.
Now it's starting to look, Niger.
Why is it very, very creamy though?
Yeah, it is. But it hasn't started boiling yet, so patience.
Okay.
Need to boil a little bit.
So we'll give this 5 minutes, huh?
5 minutes. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Do you want me to take scissors? I said no. I've seen this done by women in my family, and this is how they did it.
Of course. I'm just saying, it's easier with a scissor. Chop, 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 chop.
We'll pretend this is ogo.
Yes, let's pretend it's ugu.
And just now, today, that I learned that ogo is basically the leaf of egusi.
The things we learn in life.
Pumpkin seed soup. Pumpkin seed. Oh yeah, no, I haven't. It does not look like I want it to. This is not supposed to be there.
Have faith. Or, if you want, put it in here.
Have faith. I think it's the bell pepper, yeah?
Mm. Look at this. Mm.
Okay. To add this one, see if we can thicken it up a little bit.
A little bit of aqua.
That's it, right? Just this. Okay.
Come on.
I think this one needs
Oh no, that's almost like fufu.
Yeah. Okay, so not all of it will go in, I guess, because this is just a thickener, right? Everything comes in threes, you know? The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit and all that. There we go. Yeah, I think that's enough, right? One for good measure. There's no such thing as it's too thick.
But you have to do this. You have to mix it around. Otherwise, it's gonna
It will
be.
dissolve, no?
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's what I do. Is to cook. I'll still turn it, but I just don't want the fish to.
Okay.
Yeah, this bell pepper idea wasn't a good one. No. It tastes and smells amazing, but it's supposed to be clear now. Am I wrong? It's supposed to be clear soup.
Maybe it's the snails.
We washed it very well.
We did. All right.
1,000,000 times. This one first
See.
or this one first?
That one. Make sure you dip it good.
So, it's not covered. Let's see. So this one is already cooked. It's
See.
already good to
Yes.
eat. This is just to add the flavor.
It's gonna
into
suck
it.
all the flavor into the bone, into the legs.
Alright, I'm going to add some sprinkle of greens. Maybe the greens will take the foaming out. This is our European fisherman soup.
Yeah. It was so hard finding leaves. It was so hard finding greens. Vai botar mais greens?
You want more?
Tudo. Eu quero tudo. Oh, so good.
Okay, we'll close this. Do I need to probably need to stir this?
Sim, because it's still not thickening.
Oh no, I think it thickens over time.
Tinha que botar mais.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yum, yum, yum.
I think we just cover this and let this do its thing for another 2 or 3 minutes. So this is how we decide to store the extra stock that we can reuse. Okay.
Yes.
And now this is looking much better. Okay, that's good. So I didn't have patience before. That was the only missing ingredients is patience. Okay, there we go. The food is finished. And Ada is like, hurry up. So she's awake. But this is looking very, very good. Really good. Okay, now we'll do our semo, or not semo, fufu. So this is the fufu that we have. Okay, so we're going to take some fufu. And I'm going to make a little bit here. I think I added too much fufu. Yeah, okay. Definitely added too much fufu. But that's okay. We
Makes
have
for two.
we have water here, but just this heat.
Here comes the work in.
So when I was young, my mom would be showing Onyebuchi how to pound yam, like proper yam with mortar and everything. And she'd be yelling at Onyebuchi, "Tibuaye tibu, tibuaye tibu," which means kill it well. Yeah, my mom was very strict. Not on me though, because I am Nyamberim, the last child. So literally, you bring it to yourself like this, okay, and then you push it away, and then you tibuaye. And then what Nyamshi's doing, so Nyamshi's getting a knock on the head. Okay, so on a pestle and mortar, so that's how we do it. So I'm doing it all by hand. This is hot. And then we should open up a restaurant. I need more sauce.
No?
Please.